how you doing today? Scott here from Out and About USA. Driving into Utah, checking out some petroglyphs today. Very excited. Absolutely love petroglyphs and pictographs. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers out there. Really appreciate you guys. Let's go ahead and just start this little exploration. So if you're curious, there's two different types of these artworks. Petroglyph, which is these are carved or etched into the stone. And then there's also pictographs, which people are probably most familiar with. And the pictographs they used pigment to paint on the walls. So those are where you'll see the like hands and the people and stuff like that. The one thing I really notice is it's a lot of animals like antelope and deer and stuff like that. This is really amazing, but this particular panel has really been devastated by, I guess, graffiti, or I don't know, just people that have come and scratched their names into it. There's a guy right here that it looks like somebody added him holding an instrument or something, because it looks like it was just done yesterday. These date back to up to 3,000 years ago or more. This is really crazy. It's super beautiful and super special to be here. A lot of this stuff is really, really faded, and it looks like pretty soon you might not even be able to see it anymore. So I'm really thankful that I'm here to be able to experience this while it's still here. Hopefully you can get a chance to come out. If you've already been here, please leave me your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. I'd appreciate to hear what you have to say. thanks for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this stuff as much as I did. It was really amazing to be there. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks, have a great day.